What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We're back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Apple Watch Ultra, but this one we have is not that much 100% from Apple. First thing first, let us just see it and explore it and see what's packed on it. So guys, there we have it. This is our Apple Watch Ultra, and it comes with some extra kind of bands in here, which is going to be really great. And we're going to just unbox it and see what's packed inside. We're going to check out how the watch works and explore on the watch. What are the things which here and there which it has throughout this watch. It's really looking great. I like the packaging. It's quite not bad. It's like from the original. And we're gonna see what they have inside, because we got this one from AliExpress and it was a really legit one throughout getting it, and it's really awesome. Now, enough of me talking through this video of today. Let us just get started throughout unboxing this kind of bad boy. So guys, first thing first, what you're gonna do is just to unbox this kind of bad boy and check out how much it is. To be honest, it's a really looking great and amazing kind of packaging. So we're gonna just unbox it, really sleek and really awesome, and see what's inside, because I'm really pumped on this kind of bad boy to see what's happening in here and to know what's going on throughout this kind of bad boy and what's a goodie. Yeah, that looks really cool. As you can see guys, throughout here, this is your paperwork, or you can say this is like how you can use this kind of great and amazing kind of watch Ultra, and it's really sparking well. To be honest, this looks really good packaging, as if it's Apple from Apple. Now, another kind of stuff throughout here, as some of you guys can see, this looks really great and amazing kind of packaging throughout here. You get the watch in here, which really looks good. I'm going to talk about it later. And right now, what's in here, you're getting a watch band. Man, these are 3 watch bands in here, which is really awesome. You're getting this kind of great and amazing kind of watch band. I like it. This is dope. This looks really slick. I like the colors, man. It's dope. Apple usually get some premium stuff, which is dope. You're getting the wireless charging, which it's really kind of great throughout this watch. And yeah, that's it guys. Nothing else you're getting in here. Just check this out guys. Just look at it, how it is. Looks really good. Look, this kind of knob, it's metallic, really metal, and the buttons, they're really slick, and the way it is, it's just really looking awesome. To be honest, I'm speechless about this kind of watch, and it looks really premium, and it's dope. It's just dope. It's not like the other watches which you just find them nowadays throughout the watch Ultra, which they're knockoff, but they're really bad. But this, it's a knockoff, but it's dope. It's really dope. Now let us just clip in the wristband. It's called the wristband in here. Just keep it this way, I think, and you're gonna just keep it another one this way. This is the goodness about Apple. They know how they can just keep their things really fluidy. And yeah, I think I made a mistake in here. Am I making a mistake? Or yeah, I think I did a wrong reverse. So there's like a button in here, you release it to release this kind of watch strap. So I think this one goes this way. Yeah, that's now makes sense. This one goes here, so I think no, this goes here. Now perfect. Now just like that guys, we're having our watch in here, which it's really dope thing. Now it's that time just to turn it on. I think this is the power button. Let's see how it's gonna be turning on. As you can see, we are greeted with hello there, which it's really fast on turning on. Man, this looks good, man. Look at those transitioning. This is epic, man. As if it's just original from Apple. This is good. Just check this out. Check this out. Whoa, that's epic. Right now we're gonna talk about the way the watch it is. It's just fluidy. To be honest, I kind of like this watch because everything is just like watch Ultra. It's just steady. As you can see on the heart rate, it will just turn on these kind of sensors and stuff like that, and it even tells you that you didn't just wear it. But if you just keep it here and tie it will just start measuring, which is great. And another kind of stuff, you can explore bunch of stuff throughout here. The call, the dial, if you want to make calls and stuff like that, you want to connect throughout the app, because I didn't connect it on my phone. You can see here the music player is quite not looking bad. It looks really good. And another kind of stuff, you can add widgets, which is really insane. And another kind of stuff, throughout this kind of watch, you can just use this kind of knob, like rolling knob, which it's really incredible, because when you roll the rolling knob, it showcases you same as Apple, and when you just roll it this way, it changes the watch faces. And even if you just go this way, it shows you the longitude and altitude, which it's really insane. It's a perfect, great and amazing kind of watch ultra if you want to grab it. And another kind of stuff, all these kind of buttons, they work. Like this one showcase you some recents. Let me show you guys what I mean. So let me say I go to Siri here. This is like a voice assistant, and I go back. When I tap on here recent, it will show you that I went to Siri, which is really awesome through this watch. And not only that, it's gonna be wowing you up through the setting side, and it's really incredible. You can see on this side, you can adjust the brightness into different levels you want to, just like that. And another kind of stuff, you can adjust like that, and you can keep it listing or grid depending on you how much you want to. And just like that, it gives you a different perspective throughout the watch ultra. And another kind of stuff throughout here, guys, you can just go back here and change it back to the way style it is, and you can roll it here. You can go to settings. It's really fast. It's quite not lagging. I can say it's not lagging at all. And you can go to the system, and you can scan the barcode to connect it on your phone. And throughout here, guys, looks really great. You can see the way it is, and just the way, the perspective of this watch, the way they kept it, the premium look, man, it's really standing out. This finishes, it's really like an original one. It's just, I can say it's original one, but they changed the UI, they changed everything. You can see here, guys, it's really looking dope. It's really looking great, and through this watch gives you bunch of features, which they're really dope thing to be having it. So yeah, guys, you're getting this kind of wristband, which I like it. This wristband is so dope, and you're getting some extra wristband in here, which they're really cool too. And you can just try them out and use it, and you can even charge it wirelessly to enjoy the wireless life, which it's really awesome through this watch. And yeah, guys, this is the Watch Ultra. It's a really nice and amazing kind of watch, and we go to explore throughout different menus on it, and it's really awesome. Throughout this kind of watch, it offers you bunch of stuff, which they're really legitimate. And another kind of stuff throughout this kind of watch, which it's so dope, which I like about it, it's all about the look, and it's all about the material. It's all about the form factor. When I talk about form factor, I'm talking about the way it's made. It's really metallic, and to be honest, this is like original. You cannot just say it's fake. I've come across a lot of fake Watch Ultra and saw them, and they're really worst, and this one is really legitimate. Now, what makes it more legitimate is the way they made it. It's really like the original one. You cannot just say this is not like original one. If I give you the original one and this the second one, I don't want to call it fake, it's a second from the original one, you cannot give it any kind of differentiation unless you go throughout the software. Now a little bit things, they start to look a little bit different, but from a different user who just want to grab this kind of Watch Ultra won't feel anything. They'll just think this is just normal. But you know how Apple, they keep their products. That's it about the video of today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this kind of great and amazing kind of Watch Ultra and the way it is, because man, this, it's really dope. And another kind of stuff, if you're new here to my YouTube channel, make sure that you consider to subscribe to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that, and like this video and share with your friends to let them know that they can get the Watch Ultra in really great and amazing way. And if you would like, you're living in Tanzania, you would like to get this kind of watch, let me know in the comments down below. I'll just give you the direction how you can get it, and it's gonna be really legitimate. And other kind of stuff. Up to the next one, guys. It's your boy here, Abdurrahim 113, and catch you guys on the next video, and peace.